Welcome to the video showing the step-by-step instructions on how to use the GSLV and Satellite models installed on ISRO's Space on Wheels. Step 1. Switch on the models first. The switch of the models can be found in the switch panel towards the rear end of the bus. Step 2. The next step would be to switch on the TV using the power button of the remote control. Make sure the TV is plugged in. Do not switch on the TV first and then the models, or else the models shall not work as programmed. Step 3. Press the input button on the remote and select the screen share option and press OK on the remote. In case the screen share option is not visible, follow the instructions found in section 4 of the document. Step 4. Now open the tab and select the Miracast app. While loading, the app displays the Tree Team display loading page. This process can take around a maximum of 5 minutes, so please wait. Step 5. Once the app is open, click the yellow color Connect button. Next, click the TV name displayed under the Available Devices menu. The TV name will match the name shown on the TV screen. In case screen sharing fails, restart the Miracast app and try again. Step 6. Press the Home button on the tab to exit Miracast and come back to the home screen. Step 7. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is on and is connected to the GSLV and Satellite Wi-Fi network. There is no need to connect manually since this is already done. Step 8. Finally click the GSLV Sat app on the tab and use the app.